How to open Bank of America account online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Bank of America. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on the official page of Bank of America. Right here at the top right, you'll find the option of login. Click on it. And then click on continue to log in. Wait for a while for it to process. It will redirect you to this page. As you're looking for and opening a new account, right here tap on Enroll. You will be landing on this page. Over here you need to enter some of your details of your card. So first of all, what you need to do is enter the last 6 digits of your card or account number. And then enter the social security number or tax ID number. Well, if you don't have your social security number or the tax ID number, click on right here. Now you can simply enter your checking or saving account number. And then enter your last 6 digits of ATM or debit card number. And at the very end, enter your ATM or debit card PIN. Once you have entered all of the information, tap on continue. And then it will successfully create your Bank of America account online. So that's it, and this was a tutorial on how to open Bank of America account online. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till